Today's topic is phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens are non-steroidal estrogens like chemical compounds. These are produced by plants and they are present in many natural dietary sources like soybean, wheat, barley, corn, and oats. They mimic mammalian estrogens and therefore are considered to play an important role in prevention of cancer, heart disease, menopausal symptoms, as well as osteoporosis. Estrogens influence the growth and functioning of female and male reproductive tissues. They are responsible for maintaining skeletal and central nervous system. They have protective effects on heart and protect against colon cancer as well as avoid aging of skin. Plants with estrogen like biological activity are being used in traditional system of medicine and folklore. For example, pomegranate is associated with fertility and various other examples are there. Till now, since several hundred plants have been found to exhibit estrogenic activities due to presence of phytoestrogen, and these are basically phytochemicals. They are recommended for prevention of disturbed hormone related diseases. Phytoestrogens are substances that promote estrogenic action in mammals and are structurally similar to mammalian estrogen, that is 17 beta estradiol. The diverse biological activity of phytoestrogen is due to part of its ability to act as estrogen antagonist and as well as agonist. They mimic endogenous estrogens and cause estrogenic effect. Phytoestrogens are able to interact with certain enzymes as well as enzyme receptors, resulting into formation of stable structure which are lower in molecular weight and can pass through cell membrane. Now, these interactions they allow them to bind to estrogen receptors. This further induces estrogen responsive gene products, interfere with steroidal hormone metabolism, and action and alter estrogen receptor as well as affect transcription. Different activities and bioavailability of phytoestrogens vary depending on such factors as the form of administration, doses, individual metabolism, and ingestion of other pharmacological substances. There are several classes of phytoestrogens which include steroidal estrogens, which are found in few plants, and more unambiguous phenolic estrogens like isoflavones, stilbenes, comestans, lignans. Other class of phytoestrogens that have been reported include anthraquinones, chalcones, flavanones, phenyl flavonoids, and saponins. Estrogens they have been categorized based on their chemical structures, which resemble 17 beta estradiol. Estrogen receptor bind with steroidal as well as numerous non-steroidal compounds. An aromatic ring and an hydroxyl group are important for binding effectiveness, and the remainder of the estrogen receptor will accept hydrophobic groups. The mechanism through which estrogens may influence sex hormones production, metabolism, and biological activity could depend at least in part on their mixed estrogenic antagonist and agonist properties. These weakly estrogenic molecules they have been demonstrated to affect intracellular enzyme, protein synthesis, growth factor action, malignant cell proliferation, cell differentiation, cell adhesion, formation of new blood cells, and programmed cell death. The major phytoestrogen groups are isoflavones, flavanones, stilbenes, lignans, and comestan. These are certain sources of phytoestrogen which are naturally present. Isoflavones can be found in soybean, peanut, clover, sunflower seed, walnuts. Flavones can be present in parsley, celery, citrus peels, capsicum, pepper. Stilbenes are present in grape and peanuts. Lignans, they are present in soybean, peanut, broccoli, cashew nut, kiwi, pomegranates, etc. Comestans, these can be obtained from mung beans or soybean sprouts. Isoflavones. These are exclusively found in family of Fabaceae. Soybean are very rich source of isoflavones and they contain approximately 2 grams of isoflavones per kilogram of fresh wheat. Isoflavonoid encompass several structurally and biosynthetically related classes such as flavanones, anthocyanins, comestans, chalcones, etc. Isoflavones they have structure similar to estrogen and they have capacity to exert both estrogenic and anti-estrogenic effect. They may block the effect of estrogen in some tissues, example the breast and womb lining. Isoflavones can reduce the effect of estrogenic on cell and skin layers also. Genistin is one isoflavone which is found in number of plants like fava beans, soya beans, etc. It is also present in soya-based infant formula, tofu, soya milk, soya flour, textured soya protein isolates, etc. They also help to reduce cholesterol, prevent atherosclerosis, protect or slow prostate and breast cancer growth. To a certain extent, they prevent the kind of cell mutation which can cause DNA damage or inhibit blood supply. Genistein has also been shown to ability with an ability to destroy certain cancers gene enzyme that can change a normal cell into cancer. Genistein can diminish the possibility of cellular mutation, which can result in malignant tumors, especially in tissues which is estrogen sensitive. Flavones. The flavones are a group of naturally occurring chemical compounds widely distributed in plants. Natural flavones include epigene, chrysin, cutricitogetin, luteolin, and triacetine. Major sources are parsley, celery, citrus peels, capsicum, and pepper. Epigene is commonly present in fruits and vegetables with proven anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic effect. They suppress the formation of new blood cells and melanoma and carcinoma. Epigene has also shown potential to inhibit growth in several types of human cancer. Silbene is resveratrol, which is found in black grapes and has several health benefits. It consists of two structurally isomeric forms, that is cis and trans, with trans form being more common and possessing greater biological activity. Richest source is Polygonum capsulidatum, a weed that is used in traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine. Trees such as eucalyptus, spruce, they have been found to contain resveratrol. The primary sources in human diet are peanuts, black grapes, and red wine. The potential health effects or benefits of resveratrol include antioxidant, cardioprotective, chemoprotective, anti-inflammatory, and nutrigenic properties. Antioxidant activity may be associated with protection against progression of atherosclerosis. Red wine is one of the few dietary sources that is believed to be containing this compound, and it has proved to have positive cardiovascular effect. Estrogenic activity of resveratrol may also help in prevention of bone loss in postmenopausal females. Resveratrol has been shown to exert neuroprotective effects and is beneficial effect on cardiovascular system. Next is lignans. Lignin family is a large group of naturally abundant molecule that can be found in plethora of plants. Flax seeds is particularly rich source. Lignans along with isoflavones and comestins, they comprise the three major class of phytoestrogen. Health lignans, these are consumed and intestinal bacteria convert them into mammalian lignin, enterolectin or enteradiol. These compounds are absorbed from the digestive tract and can be secreted and are excreted in urine. Due to structural similarity of lignans found in stomach with mammalian estrogen, these compounds are potentially interesting for combating some hormone dependent cancers. Some epidemiologic investigations have shown that risk of breast, prostate and colon cancer is lower in countries or regions in which diet is particularly rich in lignans. Their antioxidant activity is also one of the possible anti-carcinogenic mechanism of compound. Comestan. Comestans, these are an important group of plant polyphenols that show estrogenic activity. The main comestan and phytoestrogenic effect are comestrol and 4-methoxy comestrol. Comestrol has been reported to inhibit bone resorption and to stimulate bone mineralization. Besides this, comestans, these are less common in human diet than isoflavones, but their action is almost similar to isoflavones. These are found in legumes, particularly sprouts and moonbeans. Soybean sprouts, they also contain large amount of cholesterol. Certain human health benefits of phytoestrogen. First of all, it is helpful in reducing cancer, particularly breast cancer, because certain epidemiological studies have reported that dietary intake of soya and lignin have been reviewed and the mechanism of phytoestrogenic action on breast tissues has been reported. It is an important component of estrogen replacement therapy for women. Besides this, prostate cancer is also another common cancer, but in this case, it has shown inhibition of cell growth with high concentration of phytoestrogen. Several epidemiological studies suggest that beneficial use of phytoestrogen rich diet in reducing prostate cancer. Other studies have shown to include alternate therapies like soya, black cosh, vitamin E, red clover for alleviating hot flashes for the prostate cancer. In cardiovascular disease, also, it has been observed that the risk of this disease enhances due to loss of estrogen. So, lipid profile, vascular reactivity, cellular proliferation, and thrombosis, these are certain effects that can result from cardiovascular diseases on which phytoestrogen have shown to be beneficial. Osteoporosis and bone health. Osteoporosis is often associated with menopause. The evidence support estrogen replacement therapy in prevention of osteoporosis in case of postmenopausal. So basically, in maintaining the bone health and reducing the chances of bone loss in case of postmenopausal women. Besides this, it is also helpful in maintaining the menopausal symptoms because hormone replacement therapy, which is based on phytoestrogen, have proven to be effective in reducing hot flashes and also endometrial and breast cancers risk. Besides this, certain other symptoms, which, for example, cardiovascular health, can be maintained by incorporating benefits of phytoestrogen in daily diet. Cognition, memory functioning, these are two other aspects which can be influenced by inclusion of phytoestrogen in the diet, particularly by introducing estrogen replacement therapy, which is based on consumption of certain phytoestrogen rich food, is helpful in maintaining the density of the bones as well as in nerve impulse transmission. Herbal sources of phytoestrogens. Grains, vegetables, fruits, they contain high concentration of phytoestrogens. Certain phytoestrogens, they are present in legumes in form of isoflavonoids, soybean, licorice, then we have red clover, flax seeds. These are all good sources of phytoestrogen. Flaxseed, they contain several substances that are thought to reduce the risk of hormone dependent cancers and cardiovascular diseases. Flaxseed oil also contain polyunsaturated fatty acids like alpha linoleic acid, which may lower the cholesterol and have antioxidant effect. Red clover is a legume rich in isoflavonoid, phytoestrogen including genistein, tadiazine, formatin, biotin, etc., and phytochemicals. Hops, that is Humulus lumpus, it has been valued as a sedative for inflammation and as a toxic. Menstrual disturbances are frequently observed in women who are hop pickers, and their estrogenic activity was associated with the plant. So, female flowers of hops are considered to be estrogenic. The most potent phytoestrogen in hops is 8-pyrindole arginine, which is found in beer in low quantity. Besides this, we have dong gokai. This is referred to as female ginseng and is used for a variety of conditions such as blood tonic, decongestant for the body organs, and its roots are used for women as tonic, often in combination with other herbs. Medicinally, it has been used to demulcate an expectorant and has been shown to have antioxidant and antimicrobial activity. Both have been clinically in the treatment of hyperlipidemia, allergic inflammations, atopic dermatitis, and atherosclerosis.